Hey guys. All right, so tomorrow you have a quiz. That's your only thing you got this week. So a lot of people today in my other classes just jumped right into Schoology, took their quiz. I wouldn't do that. I really think that if I were you, I would log into our Google Meet. I have extra copies of the review. We can walk through and talk through a couple of problems, and then I'll send you on your way to your quiz. So at 8:30 tomorrow morning, I know it's early, I couldn't even stay on past 8:30 if you need me to, but let me know. My plan is to log off at 9 if nobody shows up, which nobody showed up last week. So from 8:30 to 9, my plan is to go over a bunch of problems from your review. I'll be willing to answer any questions you have, kind of go over things that you don't understand, that kind of thing. So that's all your plan is for school tomorrow, for me, for the whole week, and then you get to enjoy your turkey day and a nice long weekend away from school, even though you've been away from school for almost a week now. So just a couple of things to remember. I would definitely write all my answers down on a separate sheet of paper because on Wednesday I will be posting a video of me going over the quiz, and then I'll also be asking you guys to maybe think about whether you want to retake this quiz or not. The other reason why you're going to want to show your work is because you're going to need to take a picture of it with your phone and upload it onto Google Classroom. That work is honestly the best way for me to try to give you extra points back. So this quiz, there's a lot of fractions and there's a lot of equations, and if you don't type them in correctly, exactly how Schoology wants, it marks it wrong. If you show me your work and showed me that you knew what you were doing, I can give you those points back. If you don't, I have no way to really see what you were doing. So it's to your benefit to submit that work. When you type in fractions, you're going to want to type them with the, like if you have to type in like 1/2, do 1/2. Those are the only things that I notice other people having issues with. So fractions won't be like in Go Formative where you actually can put a fraction in. You're just going to want to put like kind of like the divide, like on your keypad, the divide sign above the 8. So you're going to want to use that for like the part of your fraction. If there's any issues, any questions, comments, concerns, please make sure you reach out. You do have all day tomorrow until 11:59 to take it, but it has to be done by tomorrow. If you don't take it by, we'll say like 5 or 6 o'clock, I will be shooting you an email just as a reminder, but don't plan on me doing that too much or too often. I think you guys got to start getting on a schedule. I will be posting tomorrow also what the agenda is for next week, so you guys can kind of have an idea of what next week entails. You've got a good one, a busy week. You have me 3 times next week. But as always, if there's any issues, questions, comments, concerns, shoot me an email or comment down below. There's a little spot for comments, or you can private message me on there as well. But I hope you guys have a good night and good luck on your quizzes tomorrow, and I hope to see some of you in our Google Meet to go over questions.